Restaurants are designed to make you overeat, not underfeed. But with the right ordering strategy, you can still hit your calorie target and enjoy the night out. Day 26 shows you exactly how. You have a birthday dinner. The menu says grilled chicken at 350 calories. You order it with a side salad. Then your friend orders the loaded mac and cheese at 1,200 calories. Funny moment, you look at your salad like it betrayed you. You walked in needing a surplus and left 500 calories short of your target. Restaurants are designed to make this easy to get wrong. A 2024 Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics study found that restaurant entrees average 40% more calories than customers estimate, with pasta dishes especially underestimated by more than 500 calories on average. A 2025 nutrients review showed that adding calorie-dense sides like extra cheese, avocado, or creamy dressings can increase a meal by 300 to 500 calories without increasing perceived volume. NIH 2024 dietary guidance notes that choosing calorie-dense preparation methods like olive oil instead of vinaigrette makes hitting a surplus restaurant-friendly. 500 calories. That is the gap between a home-cooked pasta dinner and a restaurant version. And that gap works in your favor when you know where to look. Here is your 3-step Day 26 action plan. Step 1. Pick calorie-dense entrees, salmon, steak, or chicken with olive oil, rice, and potatoes. Avoid grilled chicken salads that leave you calorie deficient. Step 2. Calorically pad with sides. Ask for extra cheese, avocado, or whole grain bread. These hand you an easy 300 to 500 calories straight off the plate. Step 3. Skip the low-calorie filler drinks. A soda or iced tea adds 100 or more calories for almost zero effort, and they do not fill you up. Myth. Restaurant food is always too low-calorie for a bulk. I should stay home on eating out nights. Truth. Restaurant food tends to be calorie-dense, not sparse. The problem is ordering the wrong items. A burger with cheese, fries, and a milkshake easily tops 1,500 calories, a surplus-friendly meal if you plan for it. Let's recap Day 26. Restaurant entrees average 40% more calories than you think. Order calorie-dense proteins and calorically pad with avocado, cheese, and bread. Use eating out nights as surplus opportunities, not threats. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, Day 27, we cover the plateau, why the scale stopped moving.